You gotta be like, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo. Hey, don't get it on the thing. You have to do it on the top of the flame.
It's like scary.
Oh my god.
It's okay. Fire!
Yeah, okay. Just don't get it on the flame.
Oh. The best way to do it is catch it on fire.
Yeah. Oh, so you gotta turn it. You gotta turn it or else it's gonna drop on the thing.
Oh, that's great. Okay, I thought you said you did this last night. Oh, Karen, Mommy did that. That was good. How was that? No, that's not good.
Right. You gotta turn it or else you gotta turn it because that's, see how that's gonna draw it?
Yeah, no, not really.
You went on fire?
Yeah.